Welcome to the ET335 lecture video on control gates. Okay, here I have an AND gate control gate, and as we remember, 1 equals 1. Everything else will be a 0. So this is a great gate in order to use as a control to lock out the signal. So if we have a high, we're going to pass everything. If we get a low, it blocks everything. Okay, here's our control gate, and with a high signal in, we pass exactly what goes into A, and once it goes low, it blocks everything. So this is a good device in order to block signals with a one control. Okay, here I built a control gate circuit in Multisim. And what we have here is our control gate, an AND gate. This is our switch, which is going to control our control gate. Here's our input signal. And here we have a high into our control gate. And we can see on our scope that the input signal and the output signal are identical. Okay, and we can see our display here flashing. Let's go ahead. If I hit the space key and go to ground, our is off, and we should be blocked or 0. So once we go low, we get no output signal. Once I go high again, we're going to get our flash, and our output should match our input. Good.